Everyone, and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. Now today we're going to be answering the question that was asked, which is it possible to apply for both an open work permit and spousal sponsorship at the same time? And the answer is yes, it is possible, but the specific conditions depend on your situation and the country you are applying to. For example, in African countries, the process for spousal sponsorship and work permits can vary greatly depending on the country, as each has its own migration policies. However, many African nations have frameworks for spousal sponsorship and employment visas, which allow foreign spouses to live and work in the country. Today, we're going to focus in on South Africa. Now, if you want to check out our video on foreign countries, not African countries, you can check them out. We have for United States, United Kingdom, we have for Australia, and even Asian countries like Japan and South Korea. So you can check out those videos too. So let's continue with this one. We're concentrating on South Africa. Now, for spousal sponsorship, also called spouse visa in South Africa, it's quite simple. South Africa offers a spousal visa to foreign spouses of South African citizens or permanent residents. To apply, the couple must prove their relationship through documentation like a marriage certificate, and the South African spouse must meet certain income or financial requirements. The process typically requires submitting an application to the Department of Home Affairs. For open work permit, when a spouse is granted a spousal visa, they are generally allowed to live and work in South Africa. The visa grants the spouse full work rights, while in South Africa on the approved visa. It's as simple as that.